This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Loren VanCorbach. Stylish, elegant, and finished with utmost precision coupled with a peaceful private setting and a great neighborhood make this master craftsman shine. Meticulous interior, gorgeous wrought iron stair railings, 11 ceilings, gourmet kitchen with 2 ovens, granite counters, stainless appliances, hardwood floors, central vac, heat pump, bonus room with wet bar plus much more. Suite south-facing professionally landscaped yard with waterfall / pond feature, garden shed, sprinklers, and an Mount Baker view. For more information, review the details below.